YouTubers? Welcome back. My name's Dave.
Oh, that sucks, dude.
Like always, and you found do it yourself, do it right. And today, I'm up at Atlanta Motor Speedway. There's a street car takeover. Figured why not? Come up here, check it out. They got burnouts. They got drag racing. They got like an autocross out on the other side of the big giant track. Probably not gonna see any of that. But gonna go check out some burnout cars and hopefully some drag racing. They keep pushing the schedule back, so probably gonna be here for a while. So let's get into it. Your mom.
Hey, hold this down on the fender for a second. I just want to make sure it's stuck to this.
I mean, this is straight up burnout truck if I've ever seen one. 4-linked fuel cell, jumper cables. Super cool. So I'm over here at the burnout pit, and they got a McLaren that's over here in like black and gray and white camo. Gonna do some burnouts, hopefully.
You guys shout! Are you guys ready for some party? Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Now let's check it out. We got a couple things we do here. We need some party. To enjoy ourselves. So what do we need more? I like it. I said it loud. Do you want to see this power stroke on the wall? Now remember, the more hype you get, the dumber these boys get. That's what we want. We need to be entertained, baby. Oh, send that man out.
much it for the smoke show. Whew, I'm gonna talk about loud. Should have brought some earplugs. Totally bad on my part. But we're gonna go over here and check out some of the race cars and maybe see some drag racing out on the pit lane. See what time that's supposed to kick off. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of everything around here. It's not just one thing. I mean, we got a ST Ford Explorer over here. All the drivers are over in the drivers meeting. I'm probably gonna bounce before they start racing. I got like 2 more hours and I'm not gonna lie. My face, I'm burnt, so probably not gonna stick around for all that. I thought the drag race convertible, you had to have to go over it, but maybe they're a little bit more lenient around here. Here's a nice Fox body notchback sitting right, well, I shouldn't say nice, but it's definitely a race car. So one last final thought of this street car takeover. I gotta say that it is not well organized. You would think something this big, and they charged me 30 bucks to get in here, and there's, I don't know, thousands of people here, and they were late getting the burnout thing going, like by like an hour and 15, and now they're struggling to get this drag car stuff going. They keep making announcements. All right, well, we're gonna get it going, we're gonna do this. And so I stayed thinking that they were gonna, you know, and then they just make an announcement saying they're postponing it for another hour. So you would think that they'd go from one event to the other and they'd have it organized and they'd be ready to go. Apparently not. Now I do know that this is supposed to go till 11 or whatever, and I'm definitely not staying here that late. This is Atlanta, and you're not gonna catch me out in Atlanta at 11 o'clock at night. So I'm gonna jump in the old rental truck here, head back to the hotel. I have to say that I expected more from this. Expected more nice show cars. I expected more burnout stuff. I expected drag racing. The brochure thing said that, you know, it was supposed to be going on all day long, and they are struggling just to get one event done. The burnouts are done. The car show is apparently done, and they're struggling to get this drag racing going. So I'm hitting the road. Yeah, if you guys like this kind of stuff, like, tag, share, follow, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And like always, till next time, thanks a lot.